My God, too much unhealthy today.
Ooh, healthy.
How come it's too small? Look?
It's only that size.
Alright.
Good morning, everyone. Today is weekend, and we are going for shopping and doing some grocery for weekend for the week. We're planning to buy the air condition. Air condition because now is summer is coming. But first, we need to eat breakfast. So we are going to buy KFC for our breakfast. So we're going to have breakfast, but we eat inside the car. Not inside the car because today is windy. So here is a duck point. So we're gonna have breakfast. It's just a chicken.
Which one is yours?
Hmm? It's just a burger. This is music. Not music, this is juice. Too sweet.
I'm gonna try your burger. Wait, wait.
Yeah, it's under there. But don't feed them in the rail, do you know that? Yeah, like that. They smell the food.
I believe I can fly. I believe I can touch the sky.
And then you see the view. And you wait. They don't eat chicken. They chicken, they just leave it. Ở pha đây cho mình. Under the water rồi. Finish food. Bye bye. See you. We have arrived. And now we are looking for a parking place. Maybe today weekend is all full, right? Am I right? Look for any green thing. Red lights. That means it's now they have some green light. Red light is occupied. That means already people park there. And the green light means some space for parking. You see, they look too cute. Hey, is it upstairs the new part? Before they don't have upstairs.
The Christmas tree at the Christmas party hop.
Go where? Can I just where? From? You mean you wanna go upstairs? You wanna go upstairs? They finished. Let's see if they do another one. coffee.
너 그래 너 요새 너 조금 이상해졌어 자꾸만 시도 때도 없이 시무룩하고 고민을
This one or other two, not this one.
This is the one. Can you pretend to die? Some people.
진행형 같아 하루에 10번 내 맘이 움직여 이상하고 아름다운 느낌
What did you cook? Did you wash the?
Open the door. Yeah, I washed the tomatoes.
No, I mean this is what the pan.
Yeah, wash it.
사실은 나도 뭐가 뭔지 잘 모르겠어 어쩌다 우리 여기까지 알 수 없는
Is that who dog? Who dog? Whose dog? Is that the neighbor dog?
Our dog.
Are you sure your dog?
Yeah. Alright. This one gonna stay on top. Only juice will come down.
Ah, like that.
Yeah.
내 맘은 아직 ING
This small enough. You can put in more.
Only one at a time.
Oh my god. And too less water.
Everything gonna come when you keep putting. We gonna take whole.
보고 싶다고 그 말을 왜 못하니 후회할까봐
Pineapple juice. Cheers. Let's try.
너의 현재 진행형
Hello everyone. Now we're going to the church. After that we will go to see Blossom. This is the park. Oh yeah, it's alright. Don't take too much. So now I need thuốc nào?
You help me. Help me. Help me. Help me.
How to come? Tell him to come back. It's too far, look. Eee. You don't know how to do, look. Okay, what are you cooking today?
Goat.
Goat and naan. So what is the recipe? So he fry the This is all onion, garlic, ginger, all in same, and put some spice. Like this is cumin. This is the man of the house. Very powerful. So what is that? That is chili. So he gonna put some chili. Okay, we're going out our little garden to get some coriander. So today he already plant some chili. This is small chili he plant. That he plant 2 chili. So tomorrow, so slowly we can have some chili to eat. So we don't need to buy. And here's our strawberry. See, it's growing too many. Actually, too many strawberry is growing flower as well. We're planning to buy some strawberry and grow. So this is coriander is growing very big, right? I'm planning, no, I'm plant some. This is passion fruit, but because we lazy, we didn't water them much, so they are too small, so need to wait. So he told me to get some coriander, so I'm going to get some coriander for him. Oh, little cat. Meow, meow, come here. Here, coriander for you, Lieu. Okay, now I'm going to make the salad. So we eat very simple salad. It's just onion. Red onion. We could go to the gold curry, right? Yeah, he said yeah. We make gold curry for tonight. So today is Sunday. We just back home from the church. So here's the salad. Here's the salad. It's just a red onion. And I'm gonna cut some cucumber. So this is our salad. This is salad. Okay, this is our goat. The goat meat is really good. He's cooking very good curry. And here is the naan and the salad. And we eat with yogurt. Here yogurt. Very simple dinner. Okay, let's eat. Let's join our thank you.